A hugely historic judgment there this week really belongs to those judges at the Supreme Court. And it's so crucial. The fact that this was a unanimous verdict handed down by 9 of the highest judges in the country ensures that there's very little room for doubt. As of this morning, the right to privacy is a fundamental right enshrined and protected by the Indian Constitution. Now, of course, this all goes back to the government's efforts to make its unique identification drive mandatory. Under this program called the Aadhaar, the government had made it compulsory for all 1.2 billion Indians to register their fingerprints and iris scans in a massive database that was then linked to every service imaginable, from the right to subsidy on food and fuel, the right to open a bank account, and even the right to get a death certificate. Now, naturally, this had spurred debate and raised a very important question about whether the Indian government was violating the right to privacy of its own citizens. And this morning, the judges at the Supreme Court have answered that question with a resounding yes. Now, the most immediate and decisive impact of this judgment will be on the government's Aadhaar program. The fate of the program remains unclear. What happens next is really anybody's guess. But over the next few weeks and months, this issue will really dominate the discourse in India.